Welcome to my class. In this particular session, we will talk about the difference between RAM and ROM. The parts of primary storage. There are four main parts of primary storage: random access memory RAM, read-only memory ROM, cache, it's a part of primary memory, and the fourth one is registers. Random access memory. RAM is used to store data and instructions that are currently being processed by the CPU. This memory can be randomly accessed. However, RAM is volatile, that is, the memory is erased when the power supply is switched off. RAM is used to store data and instructions that are currently being processed. RAM is read/write type of memory and thus can be read and written by user or programmer. Contrary to ROM, RAM is temporary and is erased when the computer is switched off. RAM is organized in a way that enables data to be stored and retrieved from any location in any order. RAM data access is very fast and measured in nanoseconds. RAM is volatile in nature and therefore it is not permanent memory. There are two types of RAM: DRAM, dynamic RAM, and SRAM, static RAM. Dynamic RAM, DRAM. The information stored in DRAM has to be refreshed after every few milliseconds, otherwise it is erased. DRAM has higher storage capacity and is cheaper than static RAM. Static RAM. The information stored in static RAM need not be refreshed, but it remains stable as long as power supply is provided. Static RAM is costlier but has higher speed than DRAM. The second part of primary memory is read-only memory, that is ROM. Whenever the computer is switched on, it searches for the required instructions. The memory which has these essential instructions is known as ROM. This memory is permanent and is not erased when the system is switched off. It can be read only and not be written by the user. So the user can read it only and it cannot be erased or altered. ROM contains number of programs, that is, a set of instructions. The most important program of ROM is the basic input-output system BIOS, which activates the hardware, that is the physical components of the computer such as keyboard, monitor, CD drive, etc. in communicating with the system and application software, that is set of instructions or programs. ROM is not available to user to store data. It contains pre-coded instructions which are exclusively used by the computer. The instructions stored in it cannot be erased or altered generally. It is non-volatile, that is, instructions do not get erased when the power supply is switched off. There are different types of ROM which are available. The first one is mask ROM. The information is stored at the time of its manufacturing. It cannot be altered or erased later on. PROM, programmable read-only memory. The information is stored by programmer after its manufacturing. It cannot be altered or erased later on. EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. The information can be erased later on by using ultraviolet light and it can be reprogrammed. EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory, is similar to EPROM, but its information can be erased by using a high voltage current. And the last one is EAPROM, electrically alterable PROM. The information stored can be altered later on. So these are the different types of ROM which are available. Now let us move on to the differences between RAM and ROM. Basis stands for RAM stands for random access memory, whereas ROM stands for read-only memory. Meaning of RAM. RAM is a form of data storage that can be accessed randomly at any time, in any order, and from any physical location. Whereas ROM is a form of memory which is used for storing program. It can only be read and not altered. Basically, there are two types of RAM, static RAM and dynamic RAM. There are many types of ROM, mask ROM, PROM, EPROM and EEPROM. Use. RAM allows the CPU to read data quickly to run applications. ROM stores the program required to initially boot the computer, to start the computer. It allows reading and writing, whereas ROM, it allows only reading and no changes can be made in the program. Volatility. RAM is volatile. Its contents are lost when the device is powered off. ROM is non-volatile, that is, its contents are retained even when the device is powered off. Expandability. RAM can be expanded for improved performance. There is no provision of expansion of ROM in the computer. Now look at these points in summary form. We made a distinction between RAM and ROM on the basis of stands for, on the basis of meaning, on the basis of types, on the basis of use, on the basis of volatility, and last on the basis of expandability. So on these 6 different points we made a distinction between two components of primary memory, that is RAM and ROM. Thank you very much.